Applying for a Younited credit loan efficiently begins with understanding the platform's requirements and preparing your documents. Younited Credit evaluates applications based on financial stability, credit history, and the purpose of the loan. Before starting, ensure you have a clear idea of the amount you need. Loan requests can range from small personal loans of $1,000 to larger amounts up to $50,000, depending on eligibility. Start by visiting the official Younited Credit website or using their mobile app. Registration is straightforward and requires basic personal information, including your full name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Next, provide accurate financial information. This includes monthly income, existing debts, and employment details. Accuracy in this step is crucial as it determines both eligibility and the interest rate offered. The loan request form allows you to specify the exact amount you wish to borrow and the repayment period. Selecting a realistic repayment term is important. Shorter terms may reduce interest paid overall but increase monthly payments, while longer terms lower monthly payments but can increase total interest. Once the application is complete, upload supporting documents. This usually includes proof of income, identification documents, and any relevant financial statements. Digital copies are accepted and often processed faster. Younited Credit uses an automated system to evaluate applications, which typically provides a decision within 24 to 48 hours. After approval, the platform will present your loan offer, detailing the monthly installment, total repayment amount, and applicable interest rate. Review this carefully to ensure it aligns with your budget. Accepting the offer triggers the transfer of funds directly into your account, usually within 48 hours. Using this method ensures a smooth, efficient process and maximizes the likelihood of approval. Accurate information, prepared documents, and realistic loan terms are the keys to securing a Younited credit loan quickly and effectively.